Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been MIA for like the last 3 weeks, almost a month, but I've just been so busy and I just have not had time to record any videos or even upload on my Instagram. But I'm back, and I'm back also because I wanted to show you guys my first impressions on the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I saw this look on Instagram. The colors are a little bit different, but I wanted to recreate it, and I will post the link on the Instagram that I saw it. I can't recall the name. Oh, you know what? Let me tell you right now. Alright, her name is Brittany and her Instagram is Napturalelenore, and this is the look that I wanted to recreate. And also my giveaway is coming up to an end. It's going to be closed by the 30th of this month. And I did add a few more things into the giveaway, and I wanted to show you guys because I have not posted it on Instagram. So if you see this video, you will see the new things that I've added. And a lot of these things you've already seen it. This is the Pixie Peel and Reveal kit. It comes with resurfacing concentrate peel and polish cream. It comes with a glow tonic and a rose balm instant skin booster. I'm also giving away my Glam Metals eyeshadow palette that I received in my BoxyCharm. The colors are pretty, I actually got two, so I don't need two of them. So you're getting one of those. I'm also giving away this IT brow powder pencil in the color Universal Top. You will also get a Revlon Photo Ready Prime and Anti-Shine. This is for you to apply before you apply your makeup. I'm also going to give you the Python Metallic Lip Kit. You're also going to get this NYX Dual Chromatic Illuminating Powder in color Lavender Steel. You're also going to get the Anastasia Beverly Hills Single Eyeshadow in the color Rosette. You're also going to get a Lime Crime Unicorn lipstick in the color Fishnet. The Color Tattoo Eye Chrome from Maybelline in the color Gunmetal. You're also going to get a NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the color Club Hopper. You're also going to get an Essence eyeshadow base to apply as a primer before you apply your eyeshadow. I'm also going to give you two NYX Wicked Lippy, and these are in the colors in the colors Trickery, Super Cherry, and Risque, which is these two colors. It's like a green and a kind of bronze gold color. I will put my Instagram link down below so that you can follow me and look at the picture that shows you the rules on how to enter my giveaway, and you will win all these goodies. I will be announcing my winner on March 31st on my Instagram story, so make sure that you follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel to enter the giveaway. Again, don't forget to go to my Instagram to look to see the rules on how to enter this giveaway. And if you would like to see how I achieve this look, then continue watching. See you next time. Alright, so let's get started. I am going to use, for the first time, my Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start off by using the color Rustic. And this color, we're going to go ahead and apply it above our crease as our transitioning color. And make sure that you really blend this color out. And make sure you bring this color not too close, but close enough to the brow line. We're gonna go ahead back into the palette and we're gonna use this color Sienna. And we're gonna use this Morphe brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my crease. And just go ahead and blend this in above the crease with the color Rustic. Going back into the palette, we're gonna go ahead and use this color Mulberry. And we're gonna go ahead and use this color to apply it on the outer corner and the inner corner of the eye. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and blow all this excess fallout from the palette. And going back in with my Morphe brush, I am gonna go ahead and use this color Noir. And I'm just going to just apply a little bit and just pack it on lightly on the outer corner. Just to darken the area just a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and use my Huda Beauty palette, the Desert Dust palette, Cosmo. And to apply this, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my finger, like so. And I'm just gonna go ahead and also apply some Turkish Delight with my finger over the glitter. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply glitter again on the other lid. Going in again with the Turkish Delight, we're gonna go ahead and apply that in the middle part of the lid. Going back into Mulberry, we're gonna go ahead and apply this on the outer corner and inner corner. I'm just gonna go ahead and add this gold glitter from Heavy Metals Urban Decay. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead off camera and do my foundation, contour, and baking. And I'll be right back to finish my final look. I'm actually going to contour with you guys. I am going to use my Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Mineral Glow. And I'm going to use this Crown brush. And just apply it, tap off, and brush it in right under your cheekbones. Do the same thing to the other cheekbone. We're also gonna go ahead and apply this on our forehead, temples, under our lip, and we're also gonna go ahead and put bronzer under our chin. We're gonna go ahead and also apply the Blushing Glow. We're gonna use this brush. Some of my Reezy highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now, I've tried Emmy lashes before, and I've always gone for the natural Glam ones. Where is one? I can't find one right now, but I decided to try one of her more voluptuous eyelashes. And this one is called Aria. Now the packaging is really cute. It has an owl and it says Emmy Lashes, and on the back it says beauty may often come with a struggle. Embrace it, be your own kind of beautiful, and let the only drama in your life be your eyelashes. Now isn't that a very wonderful quote? Anyways, these are the eyelashes. As you can see, they're very wispy. Now we're just gonna go ahead and wait for this to get a little tacky and we'll apply it. So I'll go ahead and apply these lashes. Let me zoom in and show you guys these lashes. Let me finish it and give me 1 second and I'll be right back. Okay, going back in with my Soft Glam palette, we're gonna go ahead and use Mulberry to add on the bottom lashes. The bottom lash line. Now for the inner corner, we're gonna go ahead and use the color Bronze. And using the same brush, we're gonna go ahead and apply this. Now all we need is two things. Our eyeliner for the bottom lash line and a lipstick.